Hello students, now we'll go for question number 11. I'll read the question, listen properly everyone. Gopi buys a fish. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. Okay, what is the probability that the fish taken out is male fish? Clear? Children, here what is given first you write it. Gopi. Gopi is buying. Gopi buys fish from the aquarium. Okay. In this, how many male fish are there here? Total male fish. Male fish is equal to, what is given here? Male fish is 5. And female fish is equal to 8. Clear children? The shopkeeper is taking out from random. It is in box totally male and female. In this 5 this one and 8 this one. Shopkeeper is taking one fish from aquarium and giving to him. Clear? Now the question is, what is the probability? What is the probability of the male fish? Probability of male fish we have to find. This is the question mark. Clear children? Yes. Male fish. First of all, total how many are there? Total fish. Total number of fishes. Okay. Is equal to 5 plus 8. That is 13. Total fishes how many are there? 13 are there. Now, how many males are there? 5. Here male is 5 and female is 8. The probability, what is asking? Male fish. Probability of male fish is equal to, we know the formula. What is favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. What is the favor male fish? Favor how many are there? This is the favorable outcomes. And total is already we know that is 13. Clear? Applying this. Favorable is what is here? 5 male fish. 5 by, what is answer? It is total is 13. Probability of male fish is 5 by 13. Suppose the question is up to this only given. What is the probability of male fish? Suppose is asking question, probability of female fish. Female outcomes how many? 8 are there. The answer is what is? 8 by 13. Female fish is 8 by 13 and male fish is 5 by 13. That is the answer. Students, now we will go for question number 12. Okay. I read the question. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the number wheel. Okay. And these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will point? What is the probability that it will point at 8? That is the first question. Second one, an odd number. And third one, a number greater than 2. And fourth one, a number less than 9. Clear children? We will find out first. Okay. First of all, this is the number wheel is given. Suppose the question is given at point at 8. That probability we have to find first one. What is every time we are doing? First total how many are there? Total how many are there? Write it. Total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes how many are there? 8. What is that? Note down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the equally likely outcomes. Clear? Yes. Now, total number is what is? 8. First question what is asking? Probability that will point at 8. How many are there 8s here? Only 1. Okay. That option will get only 1. Right? First one. Probability of at 8. The favorable is only one option we have, that is only 8 is only 1. then the answer is 1 by 8. Clear children? Because only one number it is. Now question number 2. First, what is question here? An odd number. First of all, how many odd numbers are there in this wheel? Find out. Odd numbers in given wheel. Odd numbers in given wheel. How many are there? 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5 and 7. Only 4 we have. Okay? That right here 4. Clear? Odd numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7. Total numbers 4. Now probability write down. Probability of an odd number is equal to favorable outcomes. How many are there? This is the favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes. How many are there? 4. And total already we know how many are there? 8. 4 by 8. Cancel 4 ones, 4 twos. Probability of odd number is 1 by 2. Clear children? Obviously probability of even number also it gets same because 2, 4, 6, 8. Clear? Okay. Now question number 3. Number 3. Right? A number greater than 2. A number greater than 2. Probability later write first how many are there, write it. A number greater than 2. Greater than 2 how many are there? Close these two. This is the 1 and 2. Greater than 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many are there? Write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total favorable outcomes. This is the favorable outcome. FO is favorable outcome. 6. Now probability of greater than 2. That is 6 by 8. 6 by 8. Cancel. 2 3s are 2 4s. Probability of that one is what is here? Number greater than 2 is 3 by 4. Now we'll go for the last one. Last one what is here? Probability of a number less than 9. A number less than 9. In this number 9 is not there. A number less than automatically up to 8. Total how many are there? 8. Fourth one. Probability of a number less than 9. First number less than 9 how many are there? Everything, all the numbers 8. Now probability find out. Probability of less than 9 is favorable. How many are there here? Favorable outcomes 8. And total how many are there? 8. Okay? 8 by 8. What is answer? 8 by 8? 1. We know that probability of less than 9 is 8. 1 we got it. Okay? Less than 9 is 1. Then if any probability of any event is 1, then what is called this one? It is sure event. What is this one? Sure event. Clear children? Understanding I think everyone? First one probability of at number 8. Because only one is there, that's 1 by 8. Odd numbers how many are there total? 4. 4 by 8 probability of odd numbers. That is 1 by 2 after cancellation. And third one a number greater than 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many that is total favorable outcome? 6. 6 by 8. After cancelling what is? 3 by 4. Now last one is a number less than 9. Less than 9 how many total? 1 to 8. That is 8. 8 by 8 probability is 1. If 1 is there, what is it called? Sure event.